In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the access denied problem in ZArchiver. So, if you're facing the same issue, just follow this tutorial step by step. First, open Google Chrome. Type Shizuku GitHub. Then open the official GitHub website. Scroll down the page until you find the Releases section. Download the latest APK file. Install it as usual. Then open the Shizuku app. Next, choose the option Parent. Enable the notification option. Allow all notifications. This is important because Shizuku needs notifications to receive the pairing code. Now, we need to activate developer options. The steps may be different on each phone. For example, on my Vivo device, go to Settings. Open About Phone. Open Software Information. Then tap Build number 7 times quickly. After developer options are active, open the developer menu. Enable Wireless Debugging. Tap Wireless Debugging again, and you will get a pairing code. Next, open your notification panel, find the Shizuku notification, enter the pairing code, then tap Send. If the connection is successful, go back to Shizuku and tap Start. Now we can fix ZArchiver, clear cache and data, then open ZArchiver again. Tap the 3-dot menu, choose Root, select Shizuku, then enable Use for Android Data and Use for Android OBB. Now you can access the Android data folder and the OBB folder without root. That's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.